Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? So, just as I said in the afternoon, in the morning, that I will be making a short video to do illustration for you guys how you can actually install Termux on your phone. So, without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the point. So, from your phone, just find your Chrome or any browser of your choice, open it, and once it's open, on the search bar, search for Termux F-Draw like this. Termux F-Draw. You write Termux and space it, write type F, space it and type draw, just like this, and search for it. So the first link that comes out, though let me copy the link, I will still paste it on the, okay, let me copy from here. So the first link that comes out is the link that you're going to click. So once you land on this F-Draw page, so scroll down a little bit, I won't be downloading again because I've already have it downloaded on my phone. So just click on this download APK. It's around 109 megabytes. Once you click on it, it will prompt, see, I've already have it downloaded, so it will prompt a option here that you should download. So click on download and have it download on your phone. So this is it. I've already downloaded it. So once it's downloaded, then you install. If I install now, it will ask me to update because I have it downloaded on my phone before, so it will ask me to update. Let's see. Sorry, I could have done this video since. Okay, I think I'm having low space, but don't worry, let me just go and wipe off screen like this. What I'm typing here, if I want to remove everything from my screen, it is clear that I will use it. The Linux command. It's a Linux command, part of Linux command. And if I want to see what I have on this external storage, from your OS, you may not have this external storage. I've already set up my Termux to have access. I've given it access to my external storage. Why I do that is because I want all my work to be on external storage. I don't want it to be on phone storage because I may wish to wipe off my phone, or maybe I put my phone on factory reset. I can easily remove my memory card, so the work I have on my memory card cannot be wiped off. It's just like a backup, you understand? So all this now that I have here, they are not on phone, they are not on my phone storage, they are on my external storage. So from your own hands, if you let me share directly to my root, to my home page, or let me say root. So from your own hands, once you have it installed, it might not bring this out. Okay, let me close it and open it back so that you will see what it will bring out from your own ends. You will see what it will bring out from your side. Sorry. Okay. Now let me search for it. Termux. Okay. It's not actually closed properly. Okay. Let me close it from here. This is what it will bring out for. But from your OS, you will not bring this external storage. It will bring out all these things. All this package is stored root repo, package is stored X11 Pro. But don't mind that one. You can just easily type clear from your side. You can just easily type clear. So I'm giving you that as an assignment. Screenshots. Do a short video, screenshots. Once you download, screenshot the page that bring out and type clear and clear the screen. So after you do that, just send the video on the WhatsApp group. So let me share.